Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make chicken biryani. So let's get started.
I've got here 2 cups of basmati rice which I have washed, rinsed and soaked in some water for 30 minutes, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 star anise, 1 small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 cloves and 2 cardamom pods. For my biryani, I've got here 1 kilo of chicken which I have cut into small pieces, 3 medium onions which I have thinly sliced, some hot water, 1 cup of yogurt, 3 medium tomatoes which I have cut into small pieces, 2 tablespoons of chopped mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, salt to taste, 6 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 3 cardamom pods, 4 cloves, 1 star anise, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 small pieces of cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon of chili paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 2 sprigs of chopped curry leaves, and 2 tablespoons of milk mixed with 1/4 teaspoon of yellow food color, or you can use a few strands of saffron. To cook the rice, place a large pot on high heat, add 8 cups of water, cover it and bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, drain the water from the rice and get it ready. When the water starts to boil, add the whole spices, salt, oil and rice. Give it a mix, cover it and cook it for 5 minutes or until it is 80% done. After 5 minutes, drain all the water from the rice, transfer it in a dish, cover it and put it aside. Place a heavy bottom pot on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add the whole spices, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add onions, give it a mix and fry it until the onions get a light golden brown color, stirring it frequently. My onions have a light golden brown color. Take half the onions out in a dish for later and put it aside. Add ginger, garlic and chili paste and curry leaves. Give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add chicken and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix, increase the heat to high and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring it frequently. Add tomatoes, coriander powder, cumin powder, chili powder, turmeric and garam masala. Give it a mix, cover it and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add half cup of hot water, give it a mix and cook it for 10 minutes, stirring it twice. After 10 minutes, turn the heat off, add yogurt and mix it well. Put the stove back on high heat and cook it for 10 minutes, stirring it frequently or until the sauce thickens slightly. After 10 minutes, taste your salt. You can add salt according to your taste. It doesn't need any more salt. Turn the heat to low, add cooked rice and spread it evenly. Sprinkle cooked onions on the top, followed by coriander leaves, mint leaves, lemon juice and yellow milk. Cover it with a piece of foil, put a lid on and cook it for 15 minutes. Turn the heat off and let me dish it out and show you. My chicken biryani is ready and you can serve it on its own or with some raita, salad, tomato chutney, papadum or any pickle of your choice. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.